I hate being gone all day. I had to drive way down South Florida. It's some of the most horrendous traffic in the world on one of the most dangerous interstates. Without my kitty cat. Now I'm home, and look at this little face. She is purring. Hi, baby girl. Purring like crazy. Look at that face. Sweet. That's why her name is Sweetie Pie. So when I first met her, I was like, wow, she's a little sweet cat. And the neighbors, like 20 years ago, before I even liked cats, I was a dog person back then. And I became a cat person like 20 years ago. I love cats. They're so awesome. If you're allergic to them, that sucks. I understand. I used to be allergic to rabbits as a kid. My eyes would swell up and puff up. But over time, I guess I got my little rabbit right here. Look at that face, though. Seriously. Hi, baby. Look at it, like, right here. Hi, baby girl. There she goes. So funny. She's got some little blackheads right there. You can see them. You got blackheads? We gotta do something about that. If it's not eye boogers, it's blackheads. There she goes. Doo 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 doo. There she is. Hi, cutie. She's purring like crazy. You purring, sweetheart? You purr a lot? Mm-hmm. She's a good girl. Huh. Her fish tank, she loves that damn thing. The catfish in there, she'll sit there watching forever. I'll come in here, she'll be sitting there looking at it like, one of these days I'm gonna get in there. She better not. She's a special little cat. A little Snoop. We gotta go see what Barney Cakes is doing. Bubby. Bubby Jr. Look at that mouth. Still purring like crazy. What? Chin scratches. Chin scratch. See what happens if I stop. Uh-oh, she's mad. Didn't take long. She's like, okay, any second now. There you go. She's literally waiting. We waiting. Mm-hmm. My little chicken nugget. My little golden nugget. My little honey mustard packet. My little bed gremlin. She lives under the bed. Hey, she looks like a gremlin. Look at that. She's like Yoda. More cat videos you will watch. Yes, yes.